Today I'll be doing a detailed tutorial on how to flat twist. But in order to be able to do all these flat twist methods, we first need to learn the foundation, which is a two-strand twist, to better understand how to flat twist. So I'll be doing all these various twists on this stretch hair. It's an old twist out. So I've sectioned my piece for the two-strand twist, and just so it's easier to demonstrate, I did it in the front. So what you want to first do is separate your section into two equal pieces. You definitely want it to be the same length so you avoid having to borrow from another piece. That could be a problem, especially if you're going to be doing a twist out, then you're gonna get more frizz. So what I start with is I hold each section mainly with my thumb and index finger, because that makes it much easier to have a good grip. So thumb and index finger. And I'm going to bring the piece in my right hand over. And when I do that, I make sure to grab that piece with the other fingers on my left hand. Okay, so here you are. So you bring it over, grab onto it, then come back, and then hold on with your right hand. Hold on to the bottom piece with your thumb and index finger. Okay, so we have it like this. Now what I like to do is do a little twirl, okay, with my left hand. With the top piece you twirl, then you bring over again the bottom piece with your right hand. You bring it over and get ready to grab that piece with the remaining fingers on your left hand. Then come back and grab on to the bottom piece, pinch with your thumb and index, twirl, okay? Bring the bottom piece that's in your right hand over, okay? Grab on with the rest of your fingers in your left hand, okay? Come back to pinch on. So you see my left thumb and index is handing over the lower piece to my thumb and index in my right hand, and I twirl the top piece with my left hand, okay? Then bring over the bottom piece, then your left hand will grab on the left finger, the remaining of your left fingers will grab onto the top piece, then come here, back again, pinch thumb and index with right hand, okay? Twirl, bring over, grab on, bring over, and you've twirled over, okay? Grab on with your right hand, thumb and index, twirl the top, then bring over, have the remaining of your fingers on the left hand, grab on to the top, okay? Right hand picks up the lower strand, left hand twirls the top, bring over, okay, pinch here, twirl, bring over, pinch, 12, bring over, pinch, 12, bring over, pinch, 12, bring over. And I keep repeating this because you have to get the motion right. Once you get it right, you will get much faster. I'm just going slower so you can see how the process goes. Okay, 12, bring over, grab on with the remaining. So now that you're at the bottom, all you have to do is 12, the end, and here is your two-strand twist. So I have sectioned and detangled the piece that I'll be using to do flat twist going away from my face. So to start, you're going to section a small piece out of that section here, okay, and divide that into 2 pieces and hold on to each piece with your thumb and index finger. And you're gonna start just by doing a regular two-strand twist. So right hand, thumb, index, grabbing onto that piece, comes over, and remaining of fingers in my left hand is going to grip onto the top piece. Now remember, you're still holding on to the bottom with your thumb and index, and come back with your right thumb and index and hold on to that. Once you've done that, you're going to twirl the top piece, and at this point you're going to use, I just want to show you so you have a better look, you're going to use your index to swoop up some hair underneath. And I'm helping to stretch the top of the hair so it's easier for my index to go through. So once you've done that, you take the remaining of your fingers and grab on to the top. Okay, let's try again. So right hand holds on to lower piece and helps to stretch the hair so the index in the left hand can go and make swoop the hair and separate it, and then bring it over and twirl. So the right hand is going to stretch the hair out and the index is going to help to swoop some hair and then separate, bring over. Okay, twirl, stretch hair out at the bottom, index swoops hair up, then remaining of fingers on the left hand bring it over. Okay, twirl, index swoops hair, which remaining of fingers in the left hand will pick up the hair. Twirl. Okay. Right hand helps to stretch the hair out. Index goes underneath to grab some hair, swoop some hair underneath. And the right hand can also be used to help to make the separation. Then bring the hair over, twirl, index goes underneath and swoops hair up. Right hand helps to separate, then brings it over. Okay, twirl, index to separate. Swoop some hair and the right hand will help and bring it over. And that's it. Once you get here, you're just gonna start a regular 2-strand twist. So 12 over, 12 over. So once I get to the bottom, I just twirl my end, okay? One thing you can do to make sure that it doesn't unravel, I twist the bottom section and then place a hairpin to help so this part doesn't unravel. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I have sectioned and detangled the piece of hair that I'll be using to do the flat twist coming forward. Section a small piece on top, okay? So you'll be dividing into 2 equal pieces. This time you are going to bring the left piece over to the right. Okay, so left piece goes over to the right while the remaining of the fingers on the left hand will grab it, come back down here and grab the top piece, okay? And this time you're going to use your left hand to stretch the hair out and use your index and your right to scoop some hair underneath, and if needed, use your right hand to help finish the separation, okay? And then again bring that over, and I like to use my remaining fingers on my right hand to hold on, okay? And come back down, stretch the hair out, swoop some hair underneath with your index, right hand, with your index, the left hand will help to separate. Left hand brings hair over, okay? Again, you're scooping while you keep this hair with your left hand nice and stretched. Scoop with your right hand and help divide, bring over, scoop, divide, over, scoop, divide, over, scoop, divide, over. That's it. Once you get here, you start with a regular 2-strand twist. And once you get to the end, you just twirl the bottom section, the end section. As you can tell, the first one is going away from my face, and the second one is coming towards my face. Personally, I usually do my twist going in this direction. In part 2, I will show you how to flat twist going down from your crown to your forehead and up from your nape to your crown. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share with anyone interested in learning how to flat twist. Till next time.